Hey, could we say hi to your parrot?
Certainly. Her name is Cosmo.
Cosmo, what a beautiful name.
She's 34 years old.
Oh my goodness, Cosmo's almost as old as I am.
She's going to live another 30 to 50 years.
That's amazing.
But she's a 2-year-old always.
Uh-huh.
You have to clean up after them, you got to feed them.
Yeah.
You're already past that stage, it looks like.
That's
You
right.
take your own dishes to the kitchen.
Oh, if only. Yeah. Is Cosmo talking, Lucy?
I've been in the picture since '92. The original owner got her in '84, hand raised, because even in '84 they'd already banned parrots. And he did his research because he knew different parrots have different levels of sociability. And he was from a big family, so he wanted
What
to
do you
social
think about
bird.
that bird?
It was a good thing that he did that because he passed away from cancer like 5 years later. And so if he'd gotten an African gray,
Look,
it
she's
just would have
she's
stopped
nibbling
eating,
on his shirt,
killed
Lucy.
with, gone into depression and just died. But instead it rebonded with his fiance.
What do you think about that bird?
Bonded with him.